Good morning, I am Professor Vishnu Narayan Saxena. In today's class we will compare Vue.js and React. Vue.js and React are both popular front-end JavaScript frameworks that are used to build web applications. In this article, we will compare Vue.js and React on various points to help you make an informed decision about which framework to choose for your next web development project. Popularity: React is more popular than Vue.js. According to the State of JavaScript Survey 2021, React is used by 69.3% of the respondents, while Vue.js is used by only 28.8%. React is more popular than Vue.js in terms of usage and popularity. React has been around since 2013, and it is used by Facebook, Instagram, and other large companies. Vue.js was released in 2014 and has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, but it is still not as widely used as React. Components: both Vue.js and React use components to build user interfaces. Vue.js has a more flexible component structure, which allows developers to create reusable components easily. React, on the other hand, has a more powerful component system that allows developers to build complex applications with ease. Learning curve: Vue.js is easier to learn than React. Vue.js has a simpler syntax and a smaller API, making it easier for beginners to grasp. React has a steeper learning curve due to its complex architecture and a larger API. Performance: React is faster than Vue.js. React uses a virtual DOM that minimizes the number of changes that need to be made to the actual DOM, making it faster. Vue.js uses a similar technique, but React's implementation is more efficient. Scalability: both Vue.js and React are scalable, but React is better suited for large applications. React's modular architecture and one-way data flow make it easier to manage large codebases. Data binding: Vue.js has better two-way data binding than React. Vue.js allows you to bind data between the model and the view, making it easier to create dynamic user interfaces. React uses one-way data binding, which makes it more efficient but less flexible. Templating: Vue.js has better templating than React. Vue.js allows you to write HTML templates that can be easily converted into virtual DOM elements. React, on the other hand, uses JSX, which is a mix of HTML and JavaScript. Community: React has a larger and more active community than Vue.js. React has been around for a longer time and has a larger developer community, which means more resources, libraries, and support available. Documentation: both Vue.js and React have good documentation, but Vue.js documentation is considered to be more beginner-friendly. Vue.js documentation is easy to understand and has clear examples, while React's documentation can be overwhelming for beginners. In conclusion, both Vue.js and React are great front-end frameworks, but they have their own strengths and weaknesses. If you are looking for a simpler and easier to learn framework, Vue.js may be a good choice. If you are building a large application and need better performance and scalability, React is a better choice. Ultimately, the choice depends on your project's requirements and your personal preference. Now that's enough for today's class. Thank you so much.